Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Celsius claim. First, it's crucial to understand the Celsius network's bankruptcy proceedings. You'll need to verify your eligibility for a claim distribution, which is a key initial step. Always look for official communications directly from Celsius or their claims agent, Strato, to ensure you have accurate information. This process can be complex, so staying informed is essential for a successful claim. Next, you'll need to access the official Celsius claims portal. Log in using your Celsius account email and follow the prompts. It's vital to provide accurate personal and account information, ensuring all details match your records. You may also need to complete Know Your Customer, or KIC, verification, which involves confirming your identity. This step is critical for processing your claim and receiving your distribution. After submitting your information, regularly check the Celsius Claims portal for any updates on your claim status. The process can take time, so patience is important. If Celsius or Strato requests additional information, respond promptly to avoid delays. Understanding the potential timelines for claim processing will help manage your expectations as you await your distribution. Finally, prepare to receive your distribution, which may come in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or as fiat currency. Be mindful of any associated fees or potential tax implications related to your recovery. It's been a long journey, so remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Once your claim is processed, you'll receive an email confirmation when your funds are deposited.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.